thrill. Sometimes it's uphill or a boat to kill. Sipping